In this video, we'll take a look at how you can add PDF and Microsoft PowerPoint files to your presentation. Let's start with PDF files. Prezi won't allow you to add Microsoft Word or Excel files to your presentation, so if you would like to insert a chart or a document, you'll first need to save it as a PDF. If you wish to save a document as a PDF in Word or Excel 2013, you can select PDF as a file type when using the Save As option. Once you have your PDF file ready, click on the Insert button. When the Insert options appear, click on From File, PDF, Video. Now, use the Explorer window to locate the PDF file you wish to insert. When selected, click on the Open button to add it. The processing time will depend on the size of the file you are importing. The more pages and the bigger the file size, the longer it will take to process. When your file has finished processing, it will be added to the canvas. Each page of the PDF will be imported as an individual image. Each page can now be edited in a similar way to images. You can move, resize, rotate and crop. Cropping the pages is particularly useful if you wish to move charts and tables close to each other, or remove blank spaces from the page. You can use the same method to import or edit Microsoft Word documents saved as PDFs. As well as importing PDF files, you can also import your existing PowerPoint presentation files. This is helpful if you have created a presentation in PowerPoint and wish to make a Prezi presentation using the same content. Instead of having to manually copy and paste your text or import each image and video into Prezi, your entire PowerPoint will be imported with all its content. You can then simply choose what you want to reuse. To import your PowerPoint file, click on the Insert button and from the bottom of the list, choose PowerPoint. As before, use the Explorer window to locate the file and once selected, click Open. A new pane will now open on the right hand side of the screen. Your individual PowerPoint slides will appear within the pane once they are uploaded. If you want to add all imported slides onto your canvas, click on the Insert All button located at the top of the pane. Instead of adding all the slides to your canvas at once, you can also click and drag each one individually. Once positioned on the canvas where you want it, click on the green tick to insert it. One thing to note is that when you import your PowerPoint presentation, the content will be copied across, but the formatting and layout you've had in PowerPoint will be lost. Here on the left, you can see how the imported slide looks in Prezi. On the right, you can see how the original slide looked when in PowerPoint. Notice how different they appear. With the slide inserted, its contents become active and can be manipulated like other objects on the canvas. To close the PowerPoint pane, click on the small blue cross icon next to the title of the PowerPoint file. When the dialog box appears on screen, click on the Close Import button.